friends. Excuse the mess behind me and excuse the mess that I am. I'm cleaning today and I don't give a crap what I look like when I'm cleaning. Most of the time is what it is, and I'm not getting all dolled up to clean. So, with that being said, welcome back to my channel. I got a little baby on the back. Hey, Luca, say hi. Say hi. What you doing? So, his nursery is currently in the corner of my bedroom. I recently put up his nursery tour, but we're ready. He's 9 months old now and crawling and getting into everything, and we're ready to move him to his own room and have our room back, at least at night. So this is our guest room. We're gonna make this his bedroom, but I'm gonna make a Montessori nursery for him. It's basically, I'm just gonna put a floor bed in here, like just his crib mattress on the floor, no crib, because I tried sleep training and it's just not working. It's not working for us. So I'm going to start putting him on his mattress on the floor. I'm gonna nurse him to sleep on his mattress. When he wakes up, I'm gonna come in and nurse him and lay with him until he goes back to sleep. I cannot do the cry it out. I cannot let him scream it out. It's just too hard for me. It works for a lot of people, but now that he can stand up in his crib, he's not laying down and going to sleep. He's just standing there and screaming for a long time, and I can't do that to him. You talking to the vlog? Say hi. Tell him. I want my own room. I want my own room. So, I've been emptying out this room, but we did get a new dog, and he's been coming in here to pee. If he's not taken out, like, every 20 minutes. He comes in here to pee, and Mark, from where our other dog was here, or my mom's dog was here, and he's like marking in this guest room on the carpet. So, I thought I would do a little clean with me. I'm going to use my Bissell rug doctor thing. I'll put the name of it here. I can't think of it right now, but it's a carpet cleaner. He's getting fussy because I'm not walking. But I'm going to shampoo this carpet because it's disgusting, and I'm not going to let my baby crawl around on this. So as much as I would love to replace the floors right now, we're in quarantine and I can't really do that at the moment. So we're just going to clean the carpets as good as we can and hope for the best. So I'm just going to show you how I clean my carpets with the Bissell steam cleaner thing. But I haven't even vacuumed in here. The floors are disgusting. Here's a big old pee spot right here. Anyway, I've got to clean this carpet today. It's got to be done. So that's what we're going to work on. I'm going to vacuum. Okay, I took a little break to make dinner. I'm making burritos and crack dip. Okay, how do I get this off? capsules. Sugar? Hey. Hello, my love. Want a snack? Looks better already. Sorta.
Slam.
Mm-hmm. That's when it was Abby's room. Alright guys, so he just finished the carpet. He hooked it up for me. I had to get the baby ready for bed and in the bed and nurse him and all that. So Wes wanted to clean the carpets for me. This is going to be the baby's new room, nursery or whatever. And this is our guest room, but we used to use this room for foster care. We've used it for our guests who have brought pets with them and things. We have pets. So we had pet stains, pet hair. I've spot cleaned, but it's so hard to clean carpet when it's full of furniture. So while everything was out, I wanted to give it a good deep clean. So that's what I've been working on today, and I'm really happy with it. I absolutely hate carpet. I want to rip it up eventually and put down more hardwood, because we only have carpet in this room, Briley's room, and upstairs and on our stairs. So all the other rooms are either hardwood or tile. So I really want to get rid of all the carpets, because carpets, even if you clean them, they're never really truly clean. Not like hardwoods or tile, but yeah, for a baby, a soft floor is going to be better than falling down on hardwoods. So at least it's nice and deep cleaned. I'm only putting his crib mattress in here and baby toys, and then I'm going to block it off with a baby gate, so he'll have and I'm going to baby proof really well in here, so he'll have a baby safe space to play in, because I don't feel comfortable leaving him to just crawl around the house, because I have a 5-year-old and an 11-year-old, and they have toys with small pieces, and at this point it's impossible to just throw it all away or get rid of it all. And you know, I'd rather just make him a baby safe space where I know he can play safely, and I can sit in here with him, or he can be in here by himself while I go to the bathroom or whatever I need to do, and I know that he is safe in his room and his space. And yeah, rooms like this really encourage more movement and play, and yeah, I'm just really excited to do this, because I didn't do this for my other kids. So yeah, it's a new experience for me. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how I deep clean the carpets. My mom gave me this Bissell carpet cleaner a few years ago, and I've only used it a handful of times, and it's been a long time since I used it, so it needed to be done. But I really like what a good job it does, and it's fairly easy to use. So yeah, check them out if you need one. But I will link it below. This is not affiliated or sponsored. I just wanted to show you how we clean our carpets around here. And I think I'm going to do Briley's room tomorrow, so that might be in here or in the next video. But her room is still full of furniture, so I can't do the whole room like this. But if you saw the little pieces of stuff after he cleaned the carpet, that's because this one is specifically for pets. So if you have a lot of pet hair in your house, this one's good for pet stains and pet hair, because we used to have my mom's dog here for a while, and he had long hair that shedded frequently. So and then she has a dog that she brings with her when she visits me, and it sheds a lot. So there was a good bit of pet hair in here, and those little tufts of things you saw, those were little balls of pet hair and people hair. So you do have to pick those up after you use this carpet cleaner. So you just have to go around and pick them up, and then we did another pass, like cleaned again after we did the first pass. Like when he was doing the first pass, you like spray the carpet down, and like as you're making one line, you spray it down, and then as you're pushing it forward, it's sucking the water and dirt back up. And he did that all the way down and all over, and then he did a second pass where he just had it. He didn't spray it the second time, but he had it sucking up the excess water, because it will soak your floors with water and cleaning solution. So you definitely want to make sure you go over it a few times without spraying it when you're done, to get up the excess water, and that will help it dry faster. And then I leave the window open and just shut the door in here, and that will help the room air out, because you know it is a chemical cleaning solution, so you want to have some ventilation, and that will just help dry it faster. And I'm going to put this fan in here to help dry the carpet a little bit faster. So I'm super happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Okay, so here's the start of Luca's Montessori Nursery. Reagan's brought a few of her dolls in here, but I've got his crib mattress in here, his rug, and all of his baby toys. And we baby proofed. So this is a baby safe space for him. She has brought the puffs in here for him. Go put the lid on it, hun.